Get 200 free leads now. Watch how to find targeted email, phone, and message leads you can prospect within minutes. How to find and close more leads with Apollo.io. Step-by-step guide for prospecting success. Be sure to watch the tutorial at the end of this video. Boost your sales and save time. With the most robust list selection on the internet, define your ideal customer profile. Use filters for buying intent and with verified emails. Know who you're targeting. Use customer personas like from LinkedIn posts and awards. Search by industry: construction, healthcare, revenues and growth. Job titles: CEO, marketing director, operations manager. LinkedIn profile included. Awards, post or company news posted on LinkedIn. The more specific you are, the better your outreach will perform. Use buying intent filters. Are they searching for upgrades and office expansion? For targeting services, find leads who are ready to buy. You can set scores for buying intentions. Use Apollo's buying intent to track real-time signals. Tech stack changes, switching from competitors. Funding news. New budget equals more opportunities. These are LinkedIn posting by prospects on birthdays and company news. Prioritize prospects with high intent for better conversion rates. Build your lead list in seconds. Create and save a targeted list. Go to People Search in Apollo. Watch my tutorial at end and get your free leads by opening a free account. Apply your ICP and buying intent filters. Click Save List and name it. Now you have a high quality prospect list ready to go. Personalize your cold emails for better replies. Subject line: first name, quick question about, pain point. Hi, first name, I noticed something relevant about their company. Companies like yours are struggling with X, and we've helped similar brands solve this. Use Apollo templates and track email engagement. Call and convert leads faster. Follow up with verified calls like this sample: hey, Tim, I saw that company is growing fast. We help teams like yours solve specific pain. I would love to share how we helped competitor/client achieve great result. Does day/time work for a quick chat? Follow up 3 to 5 times. Most deals close after the third touch. Consistency wins. Track your Apollo activity and optimize outreach. Multi-channel approach. Use email, calls and LinkedIn for better results. Download free templates. Insert CTA link. Like and subscribe for more lead gen hacks. This slide deck provides a clear, structured approach to prospecting with Apollo.io, ensuring your audience follows along step by step. Be sure to download your free leads below and watch my tutorial next.
Just wanted to give you a quick update, show you a demo on Apollo.io, and what you can do is you can open up your free account. I have a link below this video. You can go in there and you can get a free account. Doesn't cost you anything. You can do it with your Gmail account. It's real easy to integrate it, and with your free plan you can get unlimited email credits, 120 export credits per year and 60 mobiles. You can also do sequences where you can do several letters that you can create right on this platform here, and you have basic filters, and I can show you how to use sequencing, also how to do selects, and as you get more advanced, if you want to get to tens of thousands of emails and get more into more elaborate campaigns, it would be $49 per month. But with the free, you're able to do some pretty great things that you can go ahead and just test the waters, see if you like it and that type of thing. So also when you get into these are the selects, the type of list that you can select. Now you can select a list by people. This would be specific people that you're looking for. More commonly, you can select by companies, and you can these are the different types of companies that you can select by. Also, you can do it by account location, whether it's the United States,